Hey everyone, let's dive into how to use a keyboard and mouse on Roblox on your PlayStation 5 or PlayStation 4. First, the good news. Both consoles support keyboard and mouse input. Simply plug your USB keyboard and mouse into the USB ports on your console. The PS5, PS4 should automatically detect them. If you're using a wireless keyboard and mouse with a USB dongle, plug that in instead. Some keyboards or mice will come with an app or program. Be sure to download that to your computer to customize the settings, and then you can plug it into your PS5. Once connected, navigate to your PlayStation settings to fine-tune mouse sensitivity and keyboard settings. Remember, Roblox's compatibility hinges on whether the specific game within Roblox supports keyboard and mouse. Some games may only be designed for controller use, so try other games if one doesn't work. Key takeaways. Plug USB keyboard and mouse directly into console ports, use a dongle for wireless ones, and remember to check if the specific Roblox game supports keyboard and mouse input. All right, you're connected. Now let's optimize. Unfortunately, Roblox on PlayStation doesn't offer in-game key binding options as of late 2024, likely still in 2025. However, some keyboards and mice come with software that allows you to customize button assignments. Here's an example of what the software interface looks like, showing key remapping options. Download and install this software on your computer. With it, you can remap keys to your liking. This helps tailor the controls to feel more natural for Roblox gameplay. Also, take some time to adjust your mouse sensitivity in the PlayStation settings for precise aiming and navigation. Key takeaways. Prioritize comfortable keybinds for movement, WASD or similar, action keys, jumping, interacting, and any game-specific controls. Experiment with different DPI settings on your mouse for optimal performance in various Roblox games. Although it may not be as seamless as a PC setup, this method lets you enjoy a keyboard and mouse experience on your PS5, PS4.